In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Salesforce and Asana with automated two-way updates. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through setting up a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms, making your workflow more efficient and hassle-free. So let's dive in and start optimizing your project management experience. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Asana platform. If you haven't accessed Asana before, it's a versatile tool that allows you to manage tasks and projects effortlessly. Once you're logged into your Asana account, you're ready to make some crucial customizations. Now let's make our way to the specific project you want to integrate with Salesforce. Once you're there, look towards the top right-hand corner of the interface. You'll need to click on the Customize button. This feature will allow us to tailor the integration settings to match our unique needs. With Customize opened up, direct your attention to the Apps section. Clicking on Apps is where you'll begin to bridge the gap between Asana and Salesforce. It's essential that your Asana workflow includes the right applications to enhance productivity, and this is a vital step in ensuring that integration. Next, proceed by selecting Add. This button might be small, but it's mighty in its capability. Here, you'll be able to choose from numerous applications and integrations to add to your workflow. Look carefully, as it might be 2 or 3 scrolls down the list. As we continue, we'll look for Salesforce. Clicking on Salesforce is critical to deploying the integration between these two platforms. This action links Salesforce's customer relationship management features with Asana's project management capabilities, streamlining data flow between the two. Once Salesforce is selected, the next prompt you see will be to Add to Project. Go ahead and click there. Adding Salesforce to your project ensures that all data exchanges are contained within specific projects, offering a neat and organized system for managing tasks and keeping everyone on the same page. Finally, it's time to connect directly to Salesforce. When you click on Connect to Salesforce, a new window or prompt will emerge. Here, you'll authenticate and allow Asana to sync with your Salesforce account. Make sure your Salesforce credentials are at hand because you'll need them for this step. This final connection ensures that the updates can be automated, creating a two-way data exchange between Salesforce and Asana. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Salesforce and Asana with automated two-way updates. This setup will not only save time, but also eliminate unnecessary manual entries, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, achieving your project goals. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on unlocking the full potential of your productivity tools. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.